So some help with question 1 here. This says log natural, LN. Okay, stands for natural log. And I think it's log natural because it's got like a French origin. I'm not sure. Okay, so natural log of 1 over 121 to the k power. First property of logarithms we're going to use is that you have any sort of log of an x divided by y. That's the same thing as log of x minus log of y, like this. Okay, so this is natural log 1, because this is like our x, subtracted by natural log of 121, 121 to the k power. We'll deal with that k power in just a second. So natural log of 1 is going to be 0, because the logarithm says what power do you raise the base to make it equal the argument here? What power do you raise? Now a natural log has a base of e, right? So what power do you raise the exponential constant e to make it equal 1? Well, the answer there is a power of 0. So that's why natural log of 1 is 0. You can check that with a calculator too. If you plug in 1 and then hit natural log on your Windows calculator, it gives you 0. Okay, so that's 0. The next thing I want to use is the fact that if you have an exponent inside your logarithm, that exponent can come out front and multiply. So that k comes out front of the logarithm and multiplies as a constant. Multiplies to natural log 121. And then the other thing we can do, want to try to simplify whenever we can. So if the number inside the logarithm can be rewritten with an exponent, then go ahead and do that, because then we can use that same exponent property. So think about the number 121. Could we rewrite that somehow so that it's a number with an exponent? And 11 squared, that makes 121, right? I think with question 1 you're going to see the same type of thing. You might see the number 9 to the k power. Well, that could be rewritten as 3 squared. Because now that we have an exponent, that 2 can come out front and multiply. And there we go. Okay, that's as simplified as it can be. So this is, they asked us to simplify. So this is the final answer I'm going to type in. So when I type it in here, I'm going to type -2 times k. So with that star operator, times k times natural log 11. And I'll submit it and check it here just to make sure. Sometimes I miss things. Miss things for how Mobius wants it. -2 times k natural log 11. It's got mine. It looks exactly like theirs. Huh. So it's marking mine wrong, even though it looks exactly the same. This is a good situation where I can emphasize that. I'm going to go through everyone's homework like I usually do, and mark it correct if you have something like this. Maybe some of you that have more experience with Mobius can give me a heads up on what I did wrong here too. But I don't know. This looks exactly the same, doesn't it? So yeah, rest assured, when I go through your homework on Monday like I usually do to update your grades, I'm going to take care of you here, okay? This should be marked correct because it looks exactly the same as what they have for the correct response.